Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. In this video, we are going to fix out your issue in which you are unable to install the game Forza Horizon 5 with different error codes. So let's go ahead and fix out. The very simple fix is to make sure that your date and time is exact as per the current time and date. If it is not set, you need to open your settings menu, click on time and language, and from here under the date and time tab you can set the current date and time. Nextly is click on Windows Update and make sure if any updates are available, you update your Windows and your Windows should be up to date. And thirdly is to open your Windows Store. Hit on your sign in icon, sign out and then again sign in, and then click on the library, and over here you will find the apps installed in your system. From here find the app with Forza Horizon 5 and from here you need to reinstall it. I do not installed Forza Horizon 5, that's why it is not available. But once you have purchased it, it will be available over here. You need to find it and then install it from the Windows Store. Installing from Windows Store has fixed out the issue for many of the users. They have reported online. Now if this doesn't work out, the second step is to open your run command by clicking on the start menu and type run. Now type here ws reset and then hit the enter key. This command prompt window will close automatically and then reopen your Windows Store. Just be patient and wait for a while. You can see the Windows Store has now opened. Now again click on the library, find your Forza Horizon 5 game and install it from here. Now if the problem still persists, next thing you can do is to click on the start menu and open run command. In run command, paste a path. I'll share this path in the description below so that you can directly copy over here. You need to replace a username with your username. For example, my username is VJ. So here you need to replace the username and type here VJ and then hit the enter key. Here you need to find a folder with the name Microsoft.Windows Store. It will be in the alphabetical view, so you will find it in the alphabetical order. Here it is, Microsoft.Windows Store. Double click to open it, and here you will find a folder with the name local cache. Open it, and whatever file present over here, right click and delete all these files. Now try to install the game. Now if this also doesn't work out, the next method is to open your settings menu, click on the apps and click on apps and features. Here you need to find the Windows Store application over here. Here is Microsoft Store. Click on this three dot icon and click on advanced options. Scroll down and first of all click on the repair option to repair the Windows Store for you. Once repaired, click on reset button also to reset all the applications of the Microsoft Store. Now close it and try to install the game again. Now if it is still not work out, you need to open run command by clicking on the start menu and type run. Now in run command type services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now here you need to find a service with the name Microsoft Store install. Here it is, Microsoft Store install. Double click to open it. If the service status is stopped, click on the start button to start the service at once. And in startup type, make it automatic. Hit apply and OK button. Second service that you need to find is BITS, Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Here it is. Double click to open it. If the service status is stopped, click on the start menu to start the service at once. In startup type, make it automatic. Hit the OK button. Now go ahead and restart your system and check if it is working or not. If the problem still persists, click on the start menu and type Internet Options. Open the Internet Options application and click on Advanced tab. You need to scroll down and find the Security tab over here. Here it is, Security tab. Here you need to make sure you check all 4 TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. Hit apply and then OK button. Now don't forget to restart your system because this process requires the restarting of the system. If still doesn't work out, the only option we are left with is to open command prompt by typing cmd and choose option run as administrator. Here you need to type a command which is sfc /scan now and then hit the enter key. Now wait for up to 10 minutes to complete the command for you. Now once this command is completed, type another command dir/online /cleanup image /restore health and then hit the enter key again. This command also will fix out your all the error codes present in your system. So just wait for a while. Now once it is completed, go ahead, close it and restart your system. Now you can go ahead and install Forza Horizon 5 in your system. This time you won't be face any kind of issue. That's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.